We're going to create our store with a pretty much bare bones WordPress site. You can follow along with your own WordPress site. We'll be using the 2017 theme for right now. There's a few things that we should do before we install Easy Digital Downloads. I've already created and filled out the content for an About page and a Contact page. If you don't already have these pages, go ahead and pause this video and create some blank pages. Don't worry about having a contact form on your contact page. You can just leave an email address for right now. The About page is you telling your story to your customer, and the Contact page is a page where people can reach out to us. If you need a refresher on creating pages or installing themes, all of that is covered in the WordPress Essential training course. There is one thing I will show you that's a bit of a trick. If you notice, comments are enabled on the About page and Contact page. Comments normally show up down here, but in this particular theme, they don't actually show up. But we still want to turn them off because there are ways for people to comment even without a button here. For example, a bot might have an automated way of filling out a form and adding a comment to this page, which will show up at the bottom, which we do not want, even though this theme hides them. And just in case you switch themes, it's still a good idea to turn off these comments. So let's go to the admin, and we're going to turn off the comments just to make sure that they never show up. We'll go to Admin, Pages, and then we'll click both About and Contact. And under Bulk Actions, we'll click Edit and Apply. And now we're going to say Comments Do Not Allow and Update. And this will make sure that our pages will never have any comments on them and they'll look very clean and crisp. We should also set up permalinks. If you see up here, it says page ID equals 6, or in your case, it might be a different number. That's because we haven't set up pretty permalinks. We can go to Settings in the admin, and then Permalinks, and then we can choose any of these options. Now, I recommend either month and name or just post name. Let's go with post name and click Save Changes. If we go back to our home page and then About, in the bottom left corner, you can see that it's /about, and under Contact, it's /contact. This looks much nicer for the user. Having pretty permalinks is not only helpful for users to be able to read what page they're on, but it's also helpful for search bots that crawl your site. Now that our site is ready for e-commerce, let's move on to getting EDD installed.